Follow the link given in description, and click on download button. The file is getting downloaded. After download, go to File Manager and search for PUBG Mobile. Here you have to rename this .zap file to .zip file. After that, extract this file in Android folder. Refresh that folder and find a folder named similar to PUBG Mobile in Android folder. Now click on that file to install the game. After installation, click on Android folder and then on OB. After that, copy this com.pubg.crmobile folder to the Android folder where you extracted PUBG files. Now you can play PUBG Mobile KR on mobile phone. Follow the second link in description, to download TapTap app for your mobile phone. Or you can directly follow the third link to download PUBG Mobile KR on your phone, but it will take some extra time. Download this PUBG Mobile KR, and after installation you can play this game. I will recommend you this game named Game of Peace. It's quite similar to PUBG but has a different name. If you are interested to play PUBG on PC, you can download PUBG Lite PC, link is given in description. This game is same as PUBG Mobile, same maps, same weapons. Also you can still play PUBG Mobile on emulators. You can download Game Loop and can download PUBG Mobile on your PC.
Subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press bell icon. If you like the video, like and share my video.